Question as it is given, solve for x and y. Again we have linear equations, so we have to find the value of the unknown variables x and y by using the elimination method. So as we are looking over here the variables are used in the denominator form. Whenever we use the variables in the denominator form, then we can consider some another variable for the given variables. Like here, if you are looking these two equations, there is a common thing, 2x plus 3y in the first equation as well as 2x plus 3y in the second equation also given. 3x minus 2y in the first equation, 3x minus 2y is also given in the second equation. So it means these terms are common terms in both the equations. So we can consider, let 1 upon 2x plus 3y as a and 1 upon 3x minus 2y as another variable b. Always consider the variable which is not given in the question. X and y is already given in the question, so it means you cannot consider again equals to x. No, any other variable can be used. It means now your question will be changed. 1 upon 2x plus 3y, that is changed as a, and upon 2 same as it is given, so it is a upon 2, plus 1 upon 3x minus 2y, it is changed as b, so it will be 12 upon 7b, that is equals to 1 upon 2. Now you can simplify, you can take the LCM. So it will be 7a plus 24b upon 14, that can be simplified, let it be written, is equals to 1 upon 2. We can simplify over here, 2 1 2, 2 7 14. So it means now it is 7a plus 24b, that is equals to 7, equation number 1. Similar working will be applied for the second equation as you are looking over here, 7 upon 2x plus 3y, so 1 upon 2x plus 3y, that is a, so that will be 7a. And here 4 upon 3x minus 2y, 1 upon 3x minus 2y, it is taken as b, so that will be plus 4b. That is equals to 2. So it is your second equation. In these two equations, if you are looking, the coefficient of the variable a, that is same, 7 over here and 7 also over here, and both the signs are same. So what we can do, we can subtract the equations. So here the first equation, 7a plus 24b, that is equals to 7, equation number 1. 7a plus 4b, that is equals to 2, equation number 2. Here we can write on subtraction. What happens when you will subtract equation number 2 from equation 1? On subtraction, sign are changed. Here it is plus 7a, so it will change as minus 7a. Plus 4b will change as minus 4b. Plus 2 will change as minus 2. So plus 7a and minus 7a will be cancelled out. 24b minus 4b, that will be 20b. And 7 minus 2, then it is 5. So b is equals to 5 upon 20. It means the value of b is coming 1 upon 4. Now this value of b can be used either in the first equation or in the second equation. Value of b is coming 1 upon 4. Look the second equation, much easier. If you will write 1 upon 4, 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So it means opt equation 2 from equation 2, that is 7a plus 4b, that is equals to 2. So 7a plus 4 into 1 upon 4, that is equals to 2. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So from here 7a, that will be equals to 1 will be transposed, then it will be 1. So it means now the value of a is coming 1 upon 7. So you have the values of b and a, but it is not your answer. because the question is given for the variables x and y, and you have considered the variable a and b over here. So it means still you will solve more. So as the value of a is coming 1 upon 7, and in the question you had considered a as 1 upon 2x plus 3y. So at the place of a you can write the original value 2x plus 3y, that is equals to 1 upon 7. From here cross multiply, so it means 2x plus 3y, that is equals to 7. It is your equation number 3. Similarly, you can use the value of b, that b is equals to 1 upon 4. So according to the question, b was considered as 1 upon 3x minus 2y. So 1 upon 3x minus 2y, that is equals to 1 upon 4. Cross multiply, so it will be 3x minus 2y, that is equals to 4, and it is your equation number 4. Now you can solve these two equations. What you can do over here, if you want to eliminate your y, the coefficient of y are different. Here it is 2, here it is 3, so you can multiply 2 in the equation number 3, and the coefficient of y 3 you can multiply over here. So you can mention on multiplying equation number 3 by 2 and equation number 4 by 3. So when you will multiply 2, so it will be 4x plus 6y is equals to 14, equation number 5. 3 can be multiplied, 3 is 9x, plus it is not plus, it is a minus sign, 3 to just 6y, 3 4 is 12, equation number 6. Now here 6y and 6y, both the coefficients are same and sign are opposite, so it means on adding the equations we can add. When you will add, it will be cancel out. 4 plus 9 13x, 14 plus 12 26. So from here you will get the value of x, 13 to the 26. So x is equals to 2. Now this value of x can be put up either in the equation number 3 or 4 or 5 6. So we can opt any equation, equation 3. From equation 3, equation number 3, that is 2x plus 3y, that is equals to 7. We can put up at the place of x 2. So 2 into 2, that will be 4 plus 3y is equals to 7. So 4 can be transposed over there, then 3y is equals to 3 and the value of y is equals to 1. So here the value of x, that is equals to 2, and the value of y, that is equals to 1. It is your answer. You can also verify your solution by using the verification method, which I have already